Okay, friends, the very first thing we need to do is learn how to hold a pencil. And our grip is very, very important. There's two ways that I'm going to help you remember how to hold a pencil correctly. So first of all, that pencil tip needs to be pointing to the hand that you write with. I'm a right-hander and it's pointing to my right hand. So now that it's pointed there, I'm going to make the OK sign. When I make that OK sign, I'm going to tip it upside down and pinch right by the point. I'll then flip it back over. Now, that doesn't look right, does it? These two friends are going to go to sleep. We don't use them, so we'll tuck those two in. And then the tall finger goes and it holds the side of the pencil to help it keep still. So I've got these two fingers sleeping, tucked in, and then these three are working together to help me move my pencil neatly. Now, there is a song that helps. Maybe it'll help you remember. It is, my thumb is bent, pointer points to the tip, tall man at the side, I tuck the last two fingers in and take them for a ride. So a lot of times when we're working with our pencil grip, I'll remind you at the very beginning as to how I want you to hold that pencil. But let's try it again one more time. The pencil is going to be pointing to the hand that you write with. I'm a right-hander, so I'm going to make my OK sign with my right hand. I'm going to tip it upside down so I can pick up that pencil. And now flip it right back over. I'll tuck these two fingers in so they can go for a ride and put tall man right by the side. Now I have my three fingers around my pencil correctly, and my two fingers tucked in. If I'm going to be working with my left hand, because I'm a left-handed writer, I'm going to do the same thing. It's going to point to my left hand. I'm going to make an OK sign, tip it upside down, pick it at the point, and flip it back over. These bottom two fingers will get tucked in for a ride, and then tall man will go right to the side of the pencil. Now it's going to help, and it's going to help control where my pencil goes. All right, now that you know how to control your pencil, there are some practice pages I want you to try. Let me get my writing book. So when you are writing, it's important that we sit up in a special way. Let me show you that before I show you the handwriting book. I want you to reach up way up to the sky. Give yourself a big old hug. Oh, squeeze it. And then I want you to relax your shoulders and sit up nice and tall for me. Because when we sit up tall, we have very neat handwriting, much neater than if we're slouching over our desk. So let's try it again. Reach up way into the sky. Give yourself a big, big hug. And relax. But you're still sitting up straight. Now you can pick up your pencil. And you want to have your paper turned just a little bit. In your handwriting book on page 6, it shows you how you should have your paper turned, whether you're a right-handed writer or a left-handed writer. I want you to turn to that page in your handwriting book. You can pause the video so you can look. Open up that book, page 6. All right, now that you're at page 6, I want you to turn your handwriting book in the direction it shows you, if you're right-handed or left-handed. And then on page 7, I want you to practice picking up your pencil. And that means there's some shining stars I want you to make. Before you make that, I want you to lay your pencil down and practice picking it up and getting the correct grip. Tucking those fingers in, using tall man on the side. Then I want you to go over each one of the stars. Before you move on to the next one, I want you to put your pencil back down and pick it back up. We want to be really good and quick at picking up our pencil and getting the correct grip. That's why we're practicing right now. Then you can make rain. There's a cloud on your page 7. You can make little raindrops. After you've done that, lay your pencil back down. Pick it back up and then color in the balls that the clown is juggling. Put your pencil down and pick it back up. Then you have some dots. I want you to scribble all over those dots. It's okay, scribble each one. We're practicing holding our pencil correctly. And then put the pencil down and pick it back up. I want you to draw a lion's mane. Lions have a mane, lots of crazy hair all over their faces. So draw your lion's mane and then put your pencil down and pick it back up. Then there's a caterpillar. Draw some legs for that caterpillar. He has a lot of shoes, but he doesn't have enough legs. Once you've done that, put your pencil down and pick it back up, and then make some grass for the girl who is mowing. Put the pencil down and pick it back up to finish drawing the snail shell. Then put your pencil down and pick it up one more time and finish drawing the quills on the porcupine. Now that you've practiced your pencil grip, you're ready to move on to our handwriting lesson. So go ahead and move over to do letter A.